Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in an Android learning series, we are going to learn how to create an option menu. As we know that when we run an application, in any application at the corner we have the option menu. For example, if I show you, so when you click on this dot, it shows some options or menu items when you click and it responds. So these kind of application we are going to make. How to add search option here, how can we add the option menu in your application. So for making application like this, what we have to do, first of all we have to create a resource for menu. So go to layer here, in this folder, resource folder. If you see that there is a four folder: drawable, layout, bitmap and value. But right now we do not have here a menu folder. So maybe in your Android Studio you may have a menu folder. If you have a menu folder, then you work on that layout. But in my, I don't have any kind of menu folder or any layout for menu. So we have to create. So right click on resource and then click on resource directory, Android resource directory. So when we click this, it asks for folder. So here we have to give the menu folder of menu type. We have to give menu folder of menu type at the main. Resource type should be menu. So click on OK and we see we having a folder here, menu. So we have to right click in this folder and new, or we have to create a menu resource file. Click on this and if here there menu main. Okay, so menu main is the name of the layout. So when you click this, you have this type of screen. So in this screen, what we do, we have to put the menu items. So how we can do, just click on this menu item and drag and drop on this screen. So this is one item. Here we can give the ID. Item 1 is the ID. You can give any ID. Here we can give your, for example, file. Okay, open. We can say open. At the place of icon, you can give the icon if you want. So here we having icon, so we can give icon also. And at the action, where what you want, we want the text also. This means what you want to show here, icon, you want to show icon or you want to show text. So if I say with the text, so it will show icon plus text. Okay, I want with the text. If I remove this text, it will show here the icon. So I want right now the text. So click here. Then it asks it should be visible or enable. These are optional. We can take it after that. So this is your item 1 open. Then we can put second one, item 2, second. Then we can say ID also, item 2, and name we can put close, like this. Then icon, if you want to give any file of icon you can give, and then what you want, I want with text. If you click on always, it will show here. I will show you later on also. So like this we make a option menu. So these are two item in option menu. You can drag and drop more also, 1 2 3 4 whatever you want. I am just taking example as a two menu item. Now we have to link this menu item with the main activity, this activity. From this activity here on the top we have to link. For that we have to make a coding. What we have to do in coding, first of all we have to create an option menu. So there is, we have to override a function on create option menu. So when we override this, so how we can override, just you have to, how we can override this? We have to put on, then C capital, create, then option O capital. Automatically it will show the function which you want to override. Click there. Now before the return, because return is the last line in function, here we have to link. So what we have to link? Get menu inflator. So we have to link the layout here, dot inflate. So what we have to do? R dot menu main. So this is the layout which we have to link here. Then we have to give the menu option. What is this? So this is the layout which we are passing here, this one. So this layout we are linking with this activity, main activity, and this is the menu from which we are linking, means we are linking this layout with the activity menu bar, action bar with the menu. So it have been linked right now. Now by this, if you want to run, so it will show you the option. Just by writing a one line, you can show the option. The click on run. So if you see the output here, menu option, it will come. When you click on this, it show open and close. But when we click on this open and close, it does not respond anything because we have only link. We are not doing event handling. So for that, what we have to do? First of all, we have to go on code and we have to make a event handling also. For event handling, you have to again on option menu item selected. You see the event on option menu item selected. Here you have to make a event handling. For event handling, first of all take a switch and here pass the item get element id. So we are passing a id of the element. Now in a case 1, we have a r dot id dot item 1. If you know, item 1 was the id for open. Then break, then case r dot id dot item 2 is the second case, then break. Okay, so this way we can make event handling. When we click on open, what we have to do? We are printing a toast here. Get application context, then item dot get title. So title we are displaying, and you can perform any kind of thing. Here we are only displaying a toast, but you may do anything what you want. You can perform any kind of event handling here. So again we have to print the same title of the menu which you want to print. So like this way, only by creating overriding these two method and writing a few line of code, we can perform the event handling. If you see the output again, it will show you the result. You see the output. This time event handling is also performed. When click on open, it will show open, and when click on close, it will show close. So like this you can make a option menu in Android. And once again you see the code. In next lecture we will read how to create a context menu also. Then later on we will see how to create a pop-up menu. See you again in next lecture.